Okay guys, just getting ready to go out. I have been out about 2 or 3 times during the week, but I don't take the camera with me each time, so a little bit of improvement there. I'm not too sure. I'm hoping we'll get up to maybe 40 metres or so. So let's get out there and give it a crack. Okay guys, that's the end of part 3, and I'm still knackered. I didn't film every time I went out. I went out about 3 times during the week and just took the camera out today. So getting a little bit better. I think I might have done 40 metres maybe, so sort of happy with that. I need to get up higher. When I do get it up reasonably high and do a good one, by the time I get it back down, I've completely forgot about the brake. My little brain up here is too busy trying to get the throttle right and maybe move my body back a bit to try and keep it up a bit longer, and I completely forget about the bloody foot brake, even though I've got my toes sitting on it. But yeah, I don't know. Hopefully the brain and the foot will all click one day, but I'm thinking maybe my brain's too bloody old, so we'll see what happens. We'll be back again next week. Hopefully we get a little bit further, but not too bad. I'm trying to work out what my aim is. I'm sort of thinking if I can do 100 metres, I'm going to be pretty happy. That's going to be a success, I think. But then again, deep down, if you get it up and you do everything right, you should be able to go as bloody long as you like. So I'm in 2 paths here. I'm not too sure, but I think if I can eventually get to 100 metres, I'm going to be reasonably happy, and we'll just keep at it and see what happens in the next 6 months, 12 months, and see if I can get it right up there on balancing point and go as long as I like. But I don't think that's going to happen, but we'll keep giving it a crack. See you next week.